Nuts are one of those gifts of nature that have accompanied humanity since time immemorial. Their history dates back thousands of years, to when the first civilizations began to value foods not only for their taste, but for their ability to nourish and sustain life. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to discover everything that makes nuts a true superfood, from their ancient origins to their role in modern nutrition. Get ready to learn, be amazed, and be inspired to incorporate more nuts into your daily life. The history of nuts is truly fascinating. Their origin is located in the fertile region of the Middle East, an area known as the cradle of agriculture, where ancient peoples began experimenting with the cultivation and domestication of various plant species. Nuts, specifically walnuts, were valued for their ability to nourish, their portability, and their resistance to the passage of seasons. It is no coincidence that nut remains were found in archaeological excavations in Persia. Ancient warriors considered them an indispensable food for long journeys and military campaigns due to their high energy value and their ease of preservation over long periods. In ancient times, walnuts were even considered a symbol of prosperity and wisdom. In the tombs of nobles and warriors, walnuts have been found as offerings for the journey to the afterlife, a testament to their importance not only in nutrition, but also in the culture and spirituality of those peoples. The Greeks and Romans later adopted walnuts into their diet and spread their cultivation throughout the Mediterranean and Europe, consolidating their presence in the region's cuisine and agriculture. Moving forward in time, walnuts have become a fundamental ingredient across the globe. Their versatility knows no bounds. Walnuts can be eaten alone as a nutritious snack, crunchy and full of flavor. But that is just the beginning. In salads, they add a touch of texture and depth. In desserts such as brownies, pies, or cookies, they provide that contrast between soft and crunchy. They are also the base of exquisite sauces, like traditional pesto, where their flavor perfectly combines with olive oils, garlic, and fresh herbs. In Mediterranean cuisine, walnuts are essential. From baklava in Arab and Turkish traditions to the use of walnut oils to add a gourmet touch to modern dishes. In vegan and vegetarian diets, walnuts take on even greater importance. Ground, they can replace meats in some recipes or be the main ingredient in delicious pâtés, fillings, or tart bases. Even breakfast smoothies can benefit from their contribution, adding a spoonful of walnuts to start the day with energy and health. But what is truly surprising about nuts is the amount of health benefits they offer. These little gems are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, a type of healthy fat that the human body cannot produce on its own. Omega-3s are famous for their ability to protect cardiovascular health, helping to reduce bad cholesterol and keep our blood vessels in good condition. Nuts also stand out for their concentration of antioxidants. Vitamin E, one of their main components, is a powerful shield against oxidative stress, that silent wear that causes cellular aging and promotes the onset of chronic diseases. Frequently consuming nuts can help protect the heart, keep blood vessels healthy, and strengthen the immune system. One of the lesser-known but equally surprising benefits is the impact of nuts on brain health. Due to their high content of fatty acids and antioxidants, nuts promote cognitive function, improve memory, and mental performance. Recent studies suggest that a diet including nuts can reduce the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. Additionally, thanks to their balance of proteins, healthy fats, and fibers, nuts help maintain satiety for longer. This makes them an excellent ally for controlling appetite and avoiding cravings, thus contributing to maintaining a healthy weight. Incorporating a handful of nuts into your daily diet can be that small but significant difference that drives you toward healthier and more sustainable habits. On this journey through the world of nuts, it is impossible not to remember figures who inspire a healthier and more conscious life. Sonny Montero is one of those passionate about healthy cooking who teaches us every day the importance of incorporating fresh, natural, and beneficial ingredients into our recipes. Through his work and example, Sonny motivates us to discover the potential of nuts in a balanced diet that does not sacrifice flavor or creativity. Walnuts shine, especially in the hands of chefs who understand the value of artisanal and genuine craftsmanship. A perfect example of this is the gastronomic offering at Cantina 33, located at 5 Campomanes Street in Madrid. Here, Venezuelan and international cuisine come together in an explosion of flavors where fresh products and nuts hold a prominent place. Dishes that combine tradition and modernity, using walnuts as that secret ingredient that turns every bite into an unforgettable experience. Nuts, ultimately, are much more than just a simple dried fruit. They are the result of thousands of years of history, tradition, and culinary wisdom. Incorporating them into your diet is a commitment to health, flavor, and dietary diversity. Whether as a snack, in salads, desserts, smoothies, or sophisticated recipes, Nuts can accompany you at every moment of the day. Remember that the key to a healthy diet lies in variety and balance. Adding nuts to your meals is a smart, delicious, and practical choice. If you want to discover new ways to enjoy this superfood, feel free to experiment in your kitchen or visit places that focus on quality and seasonal ingredients. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to encourage yourself to try new recipes with nuts and share your experience with those around you. Give a boost to your health and your palate by making nuts a regular part of your table. And if you're looking for inspiration, we await you at Cantina 33 to enjoy together the best that gastronomy and mindful eating have to offer. Take care of yourself, enjoy, and keep learning every day.